Hi Ryan, great to have you here at our booth at Amimon Pro booth here at CEDIA. Amimon is doing a wireless solution, wireless video solution. We are doing HD wireless video transmission with zero latency, which means less than 1 millisecond actual zero latency video transmitted between points. What you can see here, and let's start with actual units working. You can see here we took a very simple streamer but connected to one of our devices here, and this is a full transmitter. We have multiple type of transmitter, that will be one of them, and this transmitter here in this case transmit directly to a wireless receiver, a built-in wireless receiver of BenQ that can be found in the market. So for the installation market like CEDIA, you can just install it on the wall, on the ceiling without any problem. The only thing you will need to connect to it is power. You don't have to connect any cable, you don't have to carry these long HDMI cables around and get all kind of extender or something like that. Very, very clean and nice installation, and a quick one, saving the time of the installer and the time from the home. So that's one of the products. We have there another transmitter, the same type, but in this case we are connecting through a small accessory to two TVs at a time, which means that if you look here, you will see that these two TVs that can be very far from each other, but both of them transmit and shows exactly the same content from the transmitter that we've seen there. We can have up to 4 of these TVs, including support for HDCP, and so you can transmit everything to air, again still keeping the same resolution. It is 1080p 60 full HD resolution with great quality, as you can see, and again with this zero latency, which means that all the TVs that you will put around are completely in sync. No problem with audio lip sync, no problem with audio that is sound differently from different TVs, because all of them, all the signal arrive exactly at the same time with less than 1 millisecond latency. So again, another feature that we have here is actually multicast, as we call it, up to 1 to 4 if you need HDCP. And we have another solution that we are calling broadcast that takes you from this 1 to 4 to basically 1 to unlimited units, but then you don't have HDCP. That will fit solution like signage or other content that doesn't have HDCP. A nice example of that is actually this camera, and we are working a lot with camera type of installation. And with this camera type of installation, you have again a small transmitter. In this case it's this transmitter. This will be an ultra range transmitter, and in this case let's show you something. Thank you. We have a small receiver here. This is the receiver, and to show the range we are using this small screen, which is a mobile screen. This is just a battery that connected to it, and what we can do now is actually go away from here. So the transmitter is back there where you saw it, but we can start going around at this show. And I don't know how much time do we have and how much space we have in this show, but we tried it earlier this morning, and it goes all the way to the other side of the conference. You can continue to see the quality of the image. The camera continuously shoots over there. There are no breaks in the video. You can go, if you try to look at our booth over there and shoot on that, you will see you don't see it anymore. There isn't any problem with people going around, with walls, with all the installations around here. And I remind you that we are in a very, very rough environment where many wireless units are working at the same time, but still, again, we continue to walk away. We're basically probably halfway down the hall now, and again, look at it. Now I went behind this wall. Now again, it's not a full wall, and a full wall will have further impact here, but there is no problem going behind obstacles. It will be furniture in a home environment or any other thing. It's getting crowded here. I think you got the picture. That's where we are. For getting more information, on our solution, including the home, the long range, or other solution that we have, all of them zero latency, high definition video from Amimon, go to our website, which is www.amimon.com. Thank you, guys.